guys, welcome back to Nadira's kitchen. Today we're going to be making Gigi Hadid's spicy vodka pasta, but without the vodka. So these are all the ingredients you'll be needing, and I'll link them in the description below. So you'll be needing some butter, tomato puree, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 large onion, some basil leaves, 2 spring onions, some double cream, some crushed chilies, some paprika, some cayenne chili peppers, some cheese, any kind will do. You'll need oil, table salt, and some pasta. So these are all the ingredients you'll need, and I'll link them in the description below. So first we're going to start off by boiling the pasta on medium heat. This should be ready in about 15 minutes. So while the pasta is boiling, we're just going to start by frying the onions and the garlic in a separate pan like this. So along with the onions and garlic, we're just going to add in our spring onions and let them fry for a bit. So once you have let the onions and garlic simmer for a bit, we're just going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of tomato puree. So once you've mixed in the tomato puree, we're just going to add in half a cup of the double cream. So once you've mixed in the double cream, you need to add in 1 teaspoon of the crushed chili flakes and then 1 teaspoon of the paprika powder. So once you've added in the chili flakes and the paprika, you just need to add in 1 teaspoon of the cayenne pepper and give it a good mix. So after that, you just need to add in a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper. Once the pasta is ready, you need to drain it. However, before you start draining it, you need to make sure you save a 1/4 cup of the pasta water that we're going to use. Then into this, you need to add 1 tablespoon of butter. You then need to add in all the pasta into the sauce and pour over the remaining water that was left from the pasta. After you have given the pasta a good mix, we are then going to be adding in some cheese. So any cheese will do, whether that's mozzarella, cheddar, parmesan, whatever cheese you like. After you've mixed in that cheese, we're then going to sprinkle on some extra cheese and basil leaves for the finishing touch. This is what my pasta turned out like, and I really enjoyed it. So if you did too, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Please share with your family and friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!